It has been raining so much here. This is actually the first sun I've seen in like 7 days. We probably have had more rain here in one day than we ever did when we lived in California. It's amazing. Like it's an Amazon forest basically. And so right now everything's green. I moved our egg layers last night. Our chicken tractor for our egg layers has wheels, and our chicken tractor for our meat birds have wheels. And so I've been sharing the wheels, and now I gotta go over here and get the wheels before I move the meat birds. Good morning, chickies. Sometimes I think about when it's raining really hard and it's in the middle of the night, and I think, man, I hope my chickens are okay. And I'm talking not my egg layers, but these meat birds. I'm thinking, man, I hope they're okay. I hope they're not gonna drown or get all soaking wet. These chickens don't want to get wet. And then, as you can see, I don't have these sides covered with the tarp. So I'm always worried that they're just getting blasted with rain and wind. But then I come out here in the morning and they're completely dry. They're running around, they're ready to go. So these chickens are pretty amazing. We've had some serious rains and they're good. They're good to go. You have to be thankful for the rain though. Sometimes you just can't do anything outside because it's raining so bad, but look how green it is. And our garden really loves the rain. These are our snap peas that they haven't came in yet, but I mean, they're growing pretty tall. And then these are all our potatoes. And all of this garden we planted exactly 7 days ago, and we have things already popping up. We have some pole beans that are just starting to go. This little guy was not there yesterday. Look at this. Cucumbers popping up. Wow. We have a row of onions. Wow, Swiss chard. Look at this. Actually, I should cover this with a row cover. Let's see what's going down underneath these row cover here. Let's see if anything's growing. I have some weeds growing. You have to be super careful with this fabric. We have weeds growing, but look what else is growing. Kale. What? Are you kidding me? We have kale growing already. In just 7 days, it's starting to pop up because of this rain. And the rain's not over. It's still supposed to pretty much rain for another week. So this food is really loving it. And I'm gonna keep this covered because we don't want any little bugs to eat our food. Now this row cover is not 100% bug proof, and it's not a guarantee that bugs won't eat what you have in here, but it will help. It will. And that's just part of the deal, right? Grow food, there's bugs.
We are here at the farmers market here in Western North Carolina, and we hope to be doing a series, a little mini series on farmers markets, and we hope to visit a whole bunch of farmers markets every Saturdays or Tuesday nights whenever they have them. And we hope to just encourage people to get out and visit their farmers markets and support local farmers.
I'm a beekeeper in Madison County. Generally we have 2 honey harvest seasons here in the mountains. The spring flow is on right now with black locust, blackberry blossom, tulip poplar, and a whole host of other wildflowers. We have a bit of a dearth in June, usually harvest the darker spring honeys, and then get supers back on for the summer honeys, which will be from basswood trees, sumac, and sourwood. Sourwood being the famous southern Appalachian honey.
Awesome, John.
Out of Madison County.
Nice to meet you.
North Asheville Tailgate Market.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you.
Well, we have living probiotic rich fermented foods that are handcrafted in Marshall. We have everything from our beets with ginger to 3 types of kraut. We've got a brand new gardenieri. It's an Italian condiment with cauliflower and really pretty onions and carrots and radishes. Well, we do have a website. Our website is fermenti.biz, and we are at all of those stores and locations, and we just got into the Just Right Farmstead in Brevard, so that's exciting.
Thank you, Meg.
Thanks, Jason. It's good to see you.
What'd you get?
Some cider, but they didn't have any cups, so we just have to drink it like this. Strawberry apple cider.
When you're smiling, keep on smiling, and the whole world smiles.
Look at how pretty this is.
Started raining on us and we got here late to begin with, so everyone's backing up, but we need to come back to this market in a little bit earlier and when it's not raining.